describe what someone or something is doing. Let's do an activity for action verb using flashcard. I will call a student. He will pick up the card and name it. Then I will call another student. He will do action same as action verb on card and also speak a sentences using that action verb. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Manvi, come here. Pick the slip card.
S-I-T, sit.
Very good. Asta, come here.
I am sitting here.
Yes, clapping. Karthik, come here. Karthik, pick up the flashcard.
C-R-Y, cry.
Yes. C-R-Y, cry. Divya, come here.
I am cry.
Yes. Clap for Divya. Tejaswini, come here. Pick up the flashcard.
S-E-E-C.
Very good. Koranji, come here.
See here.
Yes. Clap for Koranji. Yeah, Kashmi, come here. Pick up the flashcard.
E-A-T-E.
Clap for Kashmi. Kiran, come here.
I am eating.
Clap for Anita. Anand, come here. Pick up the flashcard.
Are you